Dublin, Ohio's field of corn. Concrete jungle. Corn henge. Something a little corny. Welcome everyone. How's everybody doing? Good, I hope so. Today, Dublin, Ohio's field of corn. Created by artist Malcolm Cochran and completed in 1994, the sculpture serves as a memorial to the region's rural past, with each ear weighing 1,500 pounds and standing a little over 6 feet tall. It is located in Frantz Park and is a popular free-to-visit landmark. The monument honors Chief Leatherlips, a Wyandot leader known for his peaceful pro-coexistence with settlers, who was executed near this site in 1810. The Leatherlips Monument in Dublin, Ohio is a 12-foot high limestone sculpture of the Wyandot leader located in Scioto Park, created by artist Ralph Helmick in 1990. The abstract walkable monument resembles a large stone face gazing over the Scioto River. It commemorates Chief Leatherlips, who was executed in 1810 near the location. Key factors about the sculpture and chief: structure constructed from native limestone slabs, forming a massive head with a walkable top surface. Location is 7377 Riverside Drive, Dublin, Ohio, Scioto Park. The artist, Boston-based artist Ralph Helmick, commissioned by the City of Dublin Arts Council in 1990 as its first public art project. The subject, Chief Leatherlips, was known for his amicable relationships with white settlers. He was executed on June 1st, 1810, by fellow Wyandot tribesmen under the command of his brother, Roundhead, due to political disputes regarding the sale of land. This is our third sculpture. This is the watch house at Circle Mound in Dublin. I could not really find any history on the mound, just taking a quick look. Only thing I found out is I believe it's tied to the Adena culture and the Hopewell culture. So that is represented in the sculpture, the viewing deck.
The location is Ferris Wright Parkway, Dublin, Ohio. It's created by Todd Slaughter. The mound is 200 feet in diameter and designed for walking upon, intended as a spot of reflection. The summit features a watch house, a spherical observation-like structure made of bronze, copper, and stucco with holes in the shape of everyday objects. It acts as a bridge between the area's native history, modern culture, and public art notes.
can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through.